Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at BitToken, how to use P2P on BitToken to sell your BTT. A lot of questions has been asked, Jenny, how can I sell through P2P? So in this video I'm going to give you the breakdown on how to use BitToken P2P. And if you have not started mining this project, the link will be in the video description. Do where to start. This project is actually legit. People are cashing out every day on this project. So look at the link and start immediately. So the first thing you need to understand before you be able to use the BitToken P2P, you must pass your KYC. Without you doing your KYC, there is no way you're going to sell or buy on P2P. Make sure that you have done your KYC. And if you have not done your KYC, you can as well reach out to me. I am going to give you the easiest method on how to fund your BitToken app with minimum of $1 so that you can use it for your KYC. Note that the actual amount you can deposit into your BitToken app is $10. But if you reach out to me, I'm going to tell you the simplest way to do it. You are going to deposit $1 and perform your KYC so that you can sell your BTT if you wish. Now, once you have passed your KYC, you come here, you locate the wallet section. Look at the wallet section here. Once you locate the wallet section, you must, before you think about selling your BTT, you must have BTT in your balance. So if you don't have BTT on your balance, there is no need of talking about selling on P2P. So you must have BTT on your balance first. And it is being said that they convert our RP balance. This our RP balance is being converted on 16th of every month. Once they convert it, your RP, you will now receive the BTT. So 16th of this month, you'll be expecting another conversion, which they will convert this my RP balance and give me the BTT. Then I might have 15,000 or thereabout. So that is what you need to know. Now that you have BTT already on your app, the next thing to do is to click on P2P here. Tap on this P2P. Once you tap on P2P, you can now say have passed verification KYC. You will now click on start P2P trading. So once you click on start P2P trading, you can now see my balance is showing here 1000 BTT, and you scroll here, you can now see market codes. You have the buy codes and the sell codes. You want to sell, you sell your BTT. You want to buy, you click on buy code. So now let's click on sell, because many people that said they want to sell, you click on this sell code. Once you tap on the sell code, now you can now see different vendors. This particular person is selling 49 BTT. This person range is 49 BTT, and this 49 BTT is just giving you 0.49 USDT. The conversion rate between BTT and USDT, they are selling it here at 0.01. But BTT team said that at listing, the price of one BTT is 0.5 USDT. So for me, selling now on P2P is a waste of fund. If a project said that their listing price will be 0.5 and under their P2P, we are selling at 0.01, doesn't make sense. Now, this 1000 that I have here, 1000 BTT is just going to give me $10, which is a waste for me. But if you're actually in need of it, you really want to sell, maybe we are in need of fund, want something to, we are in need of money, you really want to sell. So this video is for you. So if you think that this particular vendor is okay for you, you click on sell here. The second person is buying 699 BTT, and this 699 BTT is just giving you 6.99 USDT at the same rate, 0.01. So it's left for you. If you wish to sell through this person, you will sell and receive 6.99. You just click on this sell option here, and automatically you receive your USDT on your wallet. So there are so many vendors based on the one you want to say. Let's scroll down. This particular vendor, if you sell 1000 BTT, you are going to receive 13.99 USDT. So this my 1000 USDT is just giving me just giving me 10 USDT. So what I'm going to do, assuming I want to sell 1000 BTT, I'll just click on sell here. Once you click on sell, you will now see your BTT balance is 1000. Buyers available USDT is 13.99. So you are going to put the amount you want to sell. Okay, let's assume I have 1000, I want to sell that 1000. I'll just type 1000. Can you see here? 1000 is giving me $10. 1000 is giving me $10. Very little. But if I can hold it till the listing day, they said according to one of their developer that they are expecting the listing early April. April is not far. So if you are not in their need of money, hold your BTT till the listing day. But if you want to sell, so this 1000 is just giving me $10. And immediately I click on sell BTT now, boom, I'll sell my 1000 and I'll see the 10 USDT on my wallet. So this is the simplest way on how to sell. For those that have been asking, this is the simplest way on how to go about. So that is it. Once you sold, you are going to see your balance here. This is where you are going to see the USDT. You are going to see 10 USDT automatically, and this place you will see nothing, because I have sold it. So that is it for you if you want to sell. Now, looking at it, like I said initially, one BTT according to them is 0.5 at listing. So this 1000 I have now, peradventure, it's listed at 0.5. So you see what I'm going to receive, 322.81 USDT. That's massive. Okay, let's assume it did not even reach that 0.5. Even if it's 0.3 or 0.2, I will still make a lot of money. You see? So another thing you need to know is you have to perform tasks to increase your RP. If you go to this end session, once you watch ads here, this ads, if you watch it, you are going to receive 1000 RP. And this 1000 RP will help to boost it will help to boost your earning. So imagine you watch just 7 seconds ads. This is 7 seconds ads. And if you watch it immediately, just look at what is going to happen. After watching, you cancel. You see, I have received 1000 RP. Now click on claim. I have received it, 1000. So it will help to build more RP for you, so that when they do the conversion, you receive a lot of BTT. So make sure you do all your tasks. They have YouTube videos. Just click on any of the videos, go to the videos on YouTube, watch it. Go to the comment section, you will see the code there. People are dropping the code there. The code is not difficult. Just look at the comment section, scroll down, you will see the code, copy it, come back and paste it, and receive 10,000 RP. By so doing, you are building your RP. So it is advisable you do this so that you have enough RP before 16th that they will do the conversion. Coming back home, if you click on this place now, this is the diamond. Make sure that you are accumulating your diamond. Make sure you are claiming. Now I have 4.4 million RP and 5.60 TP. So each level that you have reached, make sure you come back here to claim it. It will add to your RP and your TP. So this is basically what you need to know. This project is paying. I know I am not capping. It's paying people. Take advantage of it now. Link in the video description. Thank you, guys.